Octopuses are fascinating creatures with unique physiological features. They have 3 hearts, 2 branchial hearts, and 1 systemic heart. The 2 branchial hearts are responsible for pumping blood through the gills to oxygenate it, while the systemic heart pumps oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Moreover, unlike most animals with red blood, octopuses have blue blood. The blue color is due to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which carries oxygen in their blood, instead of the iron-based hemoglobin found in vertebrates. This adaptation allows octopuses to thrive in cold, oxygen-poor environments and contributes to their incredible ability to change colors and textures, squeeze through tiny openings, and exhibit other remarkable behaviors. The tongue of a blue whale can weigh as much as an elephant. Blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, can reach lengths of up to 100 feet, 30 meters, and weigh as much as 200 tons. Their tongues alone can weigh around 2.7 tons, which is roughly the weight of an adult elephant. Cows have best friends. Cows are social animals that form close bonds with other members of their herd. Research has shown that cows can have best friends and can become stressed when separated from them. The fingerprints of koalas are similar to human fingerprints. Koalas have unique fingerprints that are remarkably similar to human fingerprints. This similarity has caused some initial confusion in forensic investigations, but koala prints are now easily distinguishable. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's long shelf life is due to its low water content and acidic pH, which create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and other microorganisms. Penguins propose with pebbles. Male penguins search for the perfect pebble to present to their potential mates as a form of courtship. If the female accepts the pebble, they are considered a pair for the breeding season. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans. Despite their long necks, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, just like humans. However, each vertebra can be up to 10 inches, 25 centimeters long. Elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors. Only a few animals, including elephants, great apes, dolphins, and magpies, have demonstrated self-recognition in mirrors. This ability suggests a level of self-awareness and cognitive complexity. Dolphins have individual names. Dolphins use unique whistles to identify and call each other, similar to human names. They develop their signature whistles early in life, and other dolphins in their social groups recognize and use these names to communicate. The blue poison dart frog is one of the most toxic animals on Earth. This tiny, brightly colored frog, which is native to Central and South America, carries enough poison to kill up to 10 grown men. Indigenous tribes once used their toxic secretions to poison the tips of blow darts for hunting.